Good morning children. Today second class mathematics we have to discuss about yesterday what we discussed children. Yesterday we discussed the addition in number line. Addition of number line. Okay. That is up to 3-digit numbers. Today we have to discuss about how to add the numbers by standing line. Yesterday we added numbers in a sleeping line wise. Now we have to add the numbers first standing line wise. So it is our topic textbook page number 78. Exercise 3.1 second page. Exercise 3.1. It is textbook page number 78. After the class, open your textbook and you have to check it once. In this second bit. Okay children, first of all here we have to add up to 10 numbers and then we have to add the remaining numbers. How like means I will explain here. For example 7, 6 plus 4. These 3 digits numbers like standing line wise we are arranged. So we have to add the numbers up to 10 first. You have to observe which number and which number adding means we are getting 10 first. Here 6 is there, here 4 is there. 6 and 4 adding means we are getting 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, after that, next question. That is 3, 2, 8. Here also have to check which numbers adding means we are getting 10. Here 2 and 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Add these two numbers first. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 3, 13. Like this. Here we are not drawing any lines. We are not counting our fingers also. We are doing logic wise. Okay. Next question. 2, 9, 1. Here first 2 is there, 9 is there and 1 is there. You have to observe which two numbers adding means we are getting 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Like this. Next one more question. 2, 8 plus 6. First you have to add. We have to check which numbers adding means we are getting 10. 2 plus 8 adding means 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So our answer is 16. Like this, some more questions is there in your page number 78. You have to finish that all. Now we have to discuss some properties. Properties of addition. Properties is nothing but rules, some rules. Okay. See, in this first property, that is adding 0. Adding 0. It is first property. So, what is the first property? If we add 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. If we add 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. In this example, for example, 25 plus 0 is equal to 25 only. Okay. 593 plus 0 is equal to 593. 2478 plus 0 is equal to 2478 only. Like this, if we add 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. It is first property. In this second property, that is adding 1. Adding 1 to the given number. What we will get for adding 1 means we will get successor of the given number. Successor is nothing but after number. After number. We will get just after number. we will get just after number. For example, 59 plus 1. What is the 59 after number, children? 59 after, we will get 60. Next one. 376 plus 1. What we will get, children? Tell me. 376 plus 1 to the 1's place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 as it is 7. 3 also same. So what is our answer? 377. What do we get this number? This number after number. 376 after 377 only. Like this you have to add any number. For example, 8 plus 1. 8 after which number we will get? 9. Like this, if we add any number to the 1, we will get just next number, means after number. It is called successor also. And third property, that is order property of addition. Order of addition. It is third property. What is the order of the addition? If we change the given numbers order, then also answer need not change. For example, A I am taking as 13, B I am taking as how much? 12. Okay, now I am adding A plus B. Here A plus B means 13 plus 12. First add 1's place. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now I am changing the order of the numbers. B means here 12. Here B plus A. 12. A means 13. Plus 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, children, observe here. If we change the order of the given numbers, the answer need not change. It is called order of addition. These three are our properties. Properties is nothing but rules. Okay, children. Same using of this one, we have some questions in your textbook, page number 79. Textbook, page number 79. You have to finish that checkpoint bits is there. That also. Then now go for the exercise 3.2. In this, the first bit is find the sum. Find the sum. Sum is nothing but addition. In this first question, 51, 17, 20. Here they given 2-digit numbers in 3 rows. First we have to add 1's place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 only. Why? Because if we add 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 8. Like this. Next one. Second question. 24, 32, 12. Here also first we have to add the 1's place. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8. So I write 8 in the 1's place. Next 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 68. Like this you have to finish in your textbook page number 79. Some questions is there. Okay, children. So today your homework is complete in textbook page number 78 and 79 only. This is your homework today, children. Once I will show you in the textbook, see here. Page number 78, exercise 3.1, this bit. Find the sum. First look for the numbers that will add up to 10. First add 10 number, then you can start add the another number and write down the answer. Properties of addition. Read these ones. Using these properties of addition, here they given fill in the blanks. You have to finish these blanks and these blanks also. And exercise 3.2, find the sum. Only these questions. No need to open the next page. You have to finish up to here. This is your homework today. Thank you.